How's it going, YouTube? In this video, I'm going to talk about 12 side hustles that you can get started in 2020 and start making money as soon as this week. I'm super excited to bring this video to you guys, and I think you're going to find a ton of value. So if you are new to my channel, my name is Jonathan Montoya with Passive Income Lifestyles, and I teach people how to make money online, specifically with affiliate marketing, but I have a ton of methods on how to make money online, guys, and this is going to be one video that's going to teach you how. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first website here that I'm going to be talking about is a beta tester. Okay, so there's a ton of websites that you can go to basically test different software, different websites, stuff like that, and companies pay a lot of money to test that out. Okay, so one here is UserTestingcom. They pay up to they pay up to $60 per test. Okay. And what's cool is they pay straight to your PayPal account, which I know a lot of you guys on my channel love getting paid out to PayPal. I mean, I honestly do, because you get paid to PayPal and that goes straight to your bank account or wherever you want it. And it's super easy. But yeah, you basically go to user testing right here. You can sign up here and start, testing out their platform, right? There's a bunch of different things that you can test on this website. And you can see you could even get a $10 via PayPal for just a 20-minute video that you complete, right? So you can kind of see how it works here. Totally legit, New York Times, Huffington Post, Wall Street Journal. I mean, a ton of companies recommend user testing. Okay, so another website you can use is this one here. It's going to be tryMyUI.com. It's basically the same thing. What I recommend if you did want to go this method is try both of them out, because you can make money with user testing and then this website as well, tryMyUI. I've done user testing before, and it's a great way to make money, and it's kind of fun because you can basically your goal is to try to break the software, right? I mean, companies want to see if something's wrong with their software, so they're going to pay people to use it, right? So you have to basically try to break the new software, the new app, whatever it is. So beta testers are really, if you love just messing with apps, new software, this is a great option for you as a side hustle. This one's actually a really good website as well, because Bose, NBC, Amazon, they're all recommending tryMyUI. Okay, so both of these websites totally legit, and it's a great way to make money online. Okay, now number 2 is going to be online English teacher. So I haven't really talked about this before, but this is a great way to make money, guys. I actually got off I was on a call with somebody, and they're an English teacher as well, and they make a lot of money with it. And you can do this from the comfort of your home. There's a website called onlineenglishteacher.com, and then basically it's let me see if I can pull it up here. It's called Palfish. So you can see here that they'll pay up to $22 per hour to teach English. There's a lot of countries, all around the world that people want to learn English. So there's a big demand in this. You'll never run out of work. So I mean, you could literally, get on here, and obviously you got to go through, a qualification process. You have to go through an interview process. But, once you go through that, you can make $22 per hour from the comfort of your home. And like I said, I know someone personally doing this, and they're making a lot of money. If you love teaching, especially English, you can make a big difference in the world. Because English is going to be on the rise, especially moving forward, right? So a great way to earn money here. You can go to Palfish, online English teaching /Palfish, and learn that way. Okay. All right. Number 3, guys, is going to be focus group research studies. You can get paid up to $200 per study. Okay. So if we go to focusgroup.com, basically you're going to be in a group of people where you're basically, it's a focus group, right? So whether it's like a survey or talking about how you can make this business better, marketing research, analyzing certain opinions, there's so many things you can do with this focus group, right? So there's certain things you can do. So if we go to home here, they have in-person groups, but they also have online groups as well. So, this can be from the comfort of your home, which I know most of you are looking to work from home. So you can definitely do that as well. Okay. But you can see here, they have all kinds of different people. You got moms, dads, teachers, small business owners. They got just a bunch of different type of people in this focus group, because they want different opinions on certain things, right? Certain topics. So you can go here, you can go to available studies, and you can see what's available both in person and online. So you can see here, $150 for this focus group here. You can see online groups at, $125, and these are just for interviews, right? That they're looking for opinions for certain things, right? So this is a really good way to make money online, guys. And if you're comfortable just getting online and talking to people, just giving your opinion, this is a great way to make money. Okay. All right, let's move on to number 4, and it's going to be a YouTuber, guys. This is going to be like probably one of the best methods to make money online. Now, with a YouTuber, it does take a little bit of time to get your channel where you start making money. Okay, but let me go here to my YouTube analytics. Okay, so I was just monetized December 15th. I was monetized. This was the first day I was monetized right here. Okay. So not even a full 30 days I've been monetized. I've been able to make almost $700 in ad revenue, okay? Now, that's not the best way to make money on YouTube. I mean, it's a great way to make money. A lot of people just look to make ad revenue. What I recommend is monetizing your channel to sell your own products, to do affiliate marketing, because that's a great way to monetize your channel before you're even monetized, if that makes sense. So, you want to create videos that you can rank on YouTube. And once you get in ranked on YouTube, found in search, people are going to find your videos, they're going to connect with you, and they're going to buy the products that you recommend, okay? So being a YouTuber, guys, is it's made me a lot of money in a short amount of time, okay? Now, I do post a lot of videos, so I was able to grow a lot quicker, and I do know how to rank my videos like in search, so that's to help me out. So, if you haven't gotten this yet, I do have a free 1,000 subscribers per month blueprint you guys can get absolutely free. That's going to be linked in the description below. But yeah, that'll help you guys as well. As you can see here, I've been able to gain in the last 28 days here, you can see over 1,000 subscribers per 30 days. So I've been growing very, very quickly, and I want to help you grow 1,000 subscribers per month. I think that's a great way to start growing your business and brand. Okay. All right. So I believe that was number 4, is being a YouTuber. All right. Number 5 is writing website content. This is actually really, really in demand, especially now where the digital marketing online space is really blowing up, and people need people to write things for them, whether it's like an email or it's like writing content for their website. This is really important. Copywriting is probably one of the most important things online. Okay, so if I go here to iWriter, you can literally apply to be, you can be a writer online, right? So I'm always looking for people to write for me, whether it's an email, whether it's writing things on my website, a Facebook post, whatever it is. I'm always needing people to write for me. One, because I'm not the best writer myself. So, I just outsource that to people like on iWriter here. And, you can make a lot of money, guys. Look at this. Earn up to $80 per 500 words, okay? So, I mean, that's not that much, like words-wise. It's not that much words. You can do that in less than an hour, I'm sure. Of course, you have to be a good writer. But if you are a good writer, it's a good option for you. Another one here is a list support. It's going to be the same thing as far as, you can sign up and people will hire you to write things for them. And guys, there's a big, big demand for this. So I don't think you're ever going to run out of work, being a writer. Okay. So these websites are really great. You can also do like Fiverr or Upwork. I wouldn't recommend getting on there just because people won't pay you as much. These websites are a lot better because, it's focused just on writing, right? So, you can get paid for your talents. And so, if you are a writer, this is perfect for you guys. All right, moving on to number 6 is a transcriptionist. Okay, so basically it's similar to a writer, but if we go to rev.com, basically it's you're transcripting videos into words. Okay, and this is actually really, really important because a lot of people want to, grab a video, they want to turn that into words and then either put that like, on their YouTube channel. So you can do that as well. Like I would do that. I would go here and I would put my video on here and someone would go and actually watch the video and write out the actual words, right? So this is a really, really, lucrative job as well, because you can go here and, people are always looking to transcribe their videos, guys. Always. I promise you that, because especially with YouTube, if you can grab a transcribed script and put it into your videos are going to be ranked even higher. Okay. So that's another secret thing with YouTube is, if you're able to get a transcription and put it on, your videos rank a lot better. Now, YouTube does transcribe your videos automatically, but it's not accurate. Okay. This is actual humans, writing a transcription for your videos. So, if you do want to be a transcriptionist, rev.com is the website to go to. I've used them as well. They're really fast. Okay. So, they have people that they give work to, someone transcribes it and then they give it back. So, I've done a video, I put it on here one time and I got it back within a few hours. So very, very quick turnaround time. So that means there's a lot of work to be done here. Okay. All right, here, let's go to the next one. Number 7 is Urban Sitter. So this one's interesting. So, so I just had my daughter 4.5 months ago, and we're already looking for babysitters. Sometimes her mom or my mom or my wife's mom can't take care of the baby. So this is a great option if someone's looking to find a babysitter kind of like right away, right? So you can go here, you can find childcare, but you can also be a babysitter as well. Obviously, they vet all their babysitters. They're not going to get some random person to babysit their kid, right? So, but yeah, I mean, once you get through the process and the background check, all that stuff, and you love kids, this is a great way to make money. I mean, people are always looking to babysit, always. I promise you that. As a new parent, we're always looking to we want to go out, we want to have our time, my wife and I. So, Urban Sitter is a great way. It's kind of like Uber for babysitting, right? So you get on the app and you find someone that you want to work with, and it's kind of like you can make as much money as you want, right? So you kind of set your own job, and and you make as much as you want to make. So it's kind of cool. I mean, the company doesn't take out any of your money. So you can see here, sitters keep 100% of agreed on rate. Okay, so really, really cool here. I think it's a really cool website. I haven't used them myself because I just learned about it, but I'm gonna actually download the app myself. I'm gonna start using it, and because like I said, sometimes we cannot find a sitter, and this is perfect. So you can definitely make a lot of money with this. Okay, let's move on to the next. Okay, the next one is Homestay. So this is very lucrative as well, guys. So as you know, you've probably all stayed in an Airbnb now, by now. This is going to be very similar. Okay, so Airbnb is, you can rent out your home, you can rent out a space in your home that you're not using. You can do the same thing with Homestay. Now, the reason why I recommend Homestay is because they're not as big as Airbnb, but the market is still there. So Airbnb takes out a lot of money from people that are renting out their home, but Homestay, they're still new. They're trying to, get bigger. So they pay out a lot more money to rent out a home, okay, for the people that are renting out. So, if you have a room that you want, it's a spare room and it's not doing anything, guys, you definitely need to be using Homestay, because that's just wasted money. You can literally make money on autopilot, right? Because people come and, they can rent out your home, and, that's it. You make money, you pretty much are not doing anything. You might have to clean up a little bit, but for the most part, people are pretty good. They come in, they stay, and they leave, right? So a really good option if you're trying to make money. This is kind of more on autopilot, okay? All right. The next one is a Lime scooter charger. So this one's actually really cool because, have you seen those scooters like Bird and Lime, and they're just kind of random like downtown. So you can actually go to these scooters and charge them, and they don't pay you like the most money, but it's another way you can earn money online, right? Because you could grab a bunch of scooters, take them to your house, charge them, and then put them back out there. So this is more like, you can make as much as you really want to make with Lime scooter, okay? Now, this is more for like bigger cities, but there's a big demand in this, especially like downtown. There's like hundreds of scooters all over the city. The app will give you exactly, where they're at. And yeah, it's really cool because, you can go here, ridester.com, and you can apply to be a scooter charger, okay? And this is one of them here, but you can also go to Lime and become a scooter charger, and you can do all of them if you want. You can do all the businesses, all of the scooters, and you can charge as many as you want, right? So it's kind of cool. This is a great way to make money, if you're close to one of these areas, right? So let's go to the next one here. This one's interesting. So I've never talked about this one on my channel, but it's called Rent a Friend. This one's actually really interesting. So you go to rentafriend.com, and basically, if you just move into a new city and you want like someone to kind of show you around the city, and don't know anyone, you can literally rent a friend. So it's kind of crazy, right? So, but there's a big demand for this. So you can actually, you get paid to go snowboarding, to go out, to go eat with someone, because people are renting you to like go show them around the city, right? It sounds really weird, but you can definitely make some money with this because people are looking to, find people around the city. They want to know like where everything's at. They want to know where downtown's at, good restaurants. So, depending on how long they want to rent a friend for, you can make a lot of money with this, okay? All right, let's move on. All right, number 11 is a paid advertising agency. So this one's really cool, guys, because I actually did this as well. Basically, I would run ads for companies, okay? So a lot of companies do not know how to run Facebook ads, and you can run very basic ads and charge $500 a month, $1,000 a month to run very basic ads. I'm not even talking about conversion ads. I'm just talking about like, here's an ad right here. I mean, you can literally do it in like 30 minutes. What I recommend for this is more entrepreneurial, and you obviously got to sell. On this one is like, go to like real estate agents and talk to them about, hey, do you guys need ads, and do you guys need someone to run your ads? And then you can like work for them for free for a week, and then basically say, hey, if you want to continue to work with me, I'm going to charge $500 a month, $1,000 a month, whatever you want to charge, okay? So this is a great way to make money. I have had a lot of clients where I ran ads for, and I made a lot of money because I was charging $1,000 a month. You think, you can make as much money as you want. And this is kind of passive. Once you set it up, all you got to do is kind of maintain the ads and make sure they're running well. So a great way to make money. If you don't know how to run ads, watch some YouTube and you can run very basic ads with Facebook. I actually have older videos that I made on how to run Facebook ads. Those are like an hour long. So I go step by step on how to do that. So you guys can check that out if you want. All right. Let's go to the next one here. This one's really cool. Okay, Turo.com. Okay, so this is actually you can rent out your car. So kind of like I talked about, you can rent out your home. You can actually rent out your car, and if you have a spare car, if you're not using it, you can literally rent out your car in just under 10 minutes. You can list it, like you can have it all done for you in 10 minutes. People are always looking to rent cars, right? Especially now. I mean, if you go to Enterprise or one of those bigger companies, they charge a lot of money. So, I mean, you can literally get a car on autopilot, and, if you're not using it, or, most people, I think they only use their car like 1 hour out of the day. So, I mean, there's 23 hours you can be making money with your car. It's just sitting there, right? So Turo's a great way to make money, guys. And I highly recommend, if you're just using, if you're not using your car, if you have an extra one, you definitely want to list it on here, and you can make extra money with this, okay? You could do the same thing with like Turo. You can have your car out there. You could also have your home on rent. Like, you can make a lot of money by doing nothing, right? It's kind of cool now with the internet. But anyways, most of these jobs are, they're jobs you do have to trade time for money. If you are looking to, make money online more passively, guys, check out the first link in the description below. It's going to talk about how I started my business online with affiliate marketing. And with affiliate marketing, it's, once you set up a system, it's pretty much passive. You're making money while you're sleeping, while you're hanging out with your family. It's really cool, guys. I've made a lot of money with affiliate marketing. So if you want to learn how to do affiliate marketing, click the first link in the description below, and it's going to show you how to get started with that. Now, if you got a ton of value from this video, guys, please subscribe to my channel. It really helps me grow. And like this video, give me a comment, and let me know what is your favorite option. Let me know if you've tried any of these. I've honestly tried most of these myself. So yeah, let me know what you guys think, and I will talk to you guys soon.